Sous Vide beef short ribs, tips and tricks revealed, KD4U. In the realm of culinary delights, few dishes can rival the rich melt-in-your-mouth experience of perfectly cooked beef short ribs. These flavorful cuts, once relegated to slow-cooking methods that demanded hours of attention, have found a new champion in the world of sous vide cooking. This revolutionary technique has transformed the way we approach tough cuts of meat, offering a foolproof method to achieve consistently tender and juicy results. As we embark on this gastronomic journey, we'll delve into the intricacies of sous vide cooking and its particular magic when applied to beef short ribs. From selecting the ideal cut to mastering the art of temperature control, we'll uncover the secrets that elevate this dish from simple comfort food to a restaurant-quality masterpiece. With our tips and tricks, you'll soon be creating fork-tender, flavor-packed ribs that will have your guests questioning if you've secretly enlisted the help of a professional chef. Understanding beef short ribs, the foundation of flavor. Before we dive into the sous vide process, it's crucial to understand the star of our dish, beef short ribs. This cut of beef is known for its rich marbling and robust flavor, making it a favorite among meat lovers and chefs alike. Different cuts and their characteristics. There are two main cuts of short ribs. 1. English cut. These are cut parallel to the bone and typically come in 2 to 3 inch lengths. 2nd flanken style. Cut across the bones, resulting in thin strips with multiple cross-sections of bones. For sous vide cooking, English cut ribs are often preferred due to their thickness and ability to withstand long cooking times without falling apart. Why short ribs? Benefit from slow cooking. The abundance of connective tissue in short ribs requires extended cooking times to break down and transform into gelatin, which is responsible for the melt-in-your-mouth texture we crave. Traditional methods like braising achieve this through hours of low-temperature cooking. Sous vide takes this concept to the next level, offering precise temperature control for optimal results. Sous vide cooking, a primer for perfect short ribs. Sous vide, French for under vacuum, is a cooking method that involves sealing food in airtight bags and cooking it in a temperature-controlled water bath. This technique offers unparalleled precision and consistency, making it ideal for tough cuts like short ribs. The science behind sous vide. When you cook sous vide, you're able to maintain a constant temperature throughout the cooking process. This allows for even cooking from edge to edge and prevents overcooking. For short ribs, this means you can achieve the perfect level of doneness while still breaking down tough connective tissues. Equipment needed for sous vide. Short ribs. To get started with sous vide short ribs, you'll need 1. An immersion circulator or sous vide device. 2. A large container or pot for water. 3. Sous vide bags or a vacuum seal system. 4. A cast iron skillet or grill for finishing advantages over traditional cooking methods. Sous vide offers several benefits when cooking short ribs. 1. Consistency. Achieve the same results every time. 2. Flexibility. Once the ribs reach temperature, they can hold for hours without overcooking. 3. Moisture retention. The sealed environment prevents moisture loss. 4. Flavor infusion. Seasonings and marinades are intensified during the long cooking time. Selecting the perfect short ribs. Quality matters. The journey to exceptional sous vide short ribs begins at the butcher counter. Choosing high-quality ribs is crucial for the best results. Grass-fed versus grain-fed beef. Both grass-fed and grain-fed beef have their merits. Grass-fed, often leaner with a more mineral, beefier flavor. Grain-fed, typically more marbled, resulting in a richer taste and texture. Your choice will depend on personal preference and dietary considerations. Fresh versus frozen. What to look for? While fresh is often preferred, properly frozen short ribs can work well for sous vide. Fresh, look for bright red meat with no discoloration. Frozen, ensure there's no freezer burn and that the packaging is intact. Preparation techniques, setting the stage for success. Proper preparation is key to maximizing the flavor and texture of your sous vide short ribs. 1. Trimming and portioning. Remove any excess fat or silver skin from the exterior of the ribs. While some fat is desirable for flavor, too much can prevent proper seasoning penetration. Portion the ribs in individual servings if desired. 2. To season or not to season? Seasoning before sous vide cooking is a matter of personal preference. A simple salt and pepper rub can work wonders, allowing the natural flavors of the beef to shine. For more complex flavors, consider adding garlic, herbs, or even a spice rub. 3. Aromatics and flavor enhancers. Enhance your short ribs by adding aromatics to the sous vide bag. Fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary, sliced garlic or shallots, a splash of red wine or Worcestershire sauce. These additions will infuse the meat with subtle flavors during the long cooking process. The sous vide process. Mastering time and temperature. The key to perfect sous vide short ribs lies in finding the right balance of temperature and cooking duration. Temperature selection, balancing tenderness and texture. The ideal temperature depends on your preferred level of doneness. 131 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 degrees Celsius. Medium rare, with a tender but slightly firmer texture. 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Medium, offering a good balance of tenderness and texture. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Well done, fall off the bone tender, 2. Cooking duration, the long game short ribs benefit from extended cooking times. 24 hours. Minimum recommended time for tender results, 36 to 48 hours. Optimal for most textures and temperatures, 72 hours. Maximum time for extreme tenderness, use with caution. 3. Bagging techniques, vacuum versus water displacement. While a vacuum sealer is ideal, the water displacement method can work well. 1. Place ribs in a Ziploc bag. 2. Slowly lower the bag into the water, allowing the pressure to push out air. 3. Seal the bag just before it submerges completely. 4. Troubleshooting. Common issues. Floating bags, use sous vide weights or a rack to keep bags submerged. Leaking bags, double bag or use higher quality bags. Uneven cooking, ensure water can circulate freely around each bag. Post sous vide. Finishing methods, the final touch. After sous vide cooking, a proper finish is crucial for developing flavor and texture. 1. The importance of searing. Searing creates a flavorful crust through the Maillard reaction. Pat the ribs dry and sear them in a hot cast iron skillet for 1 to 2 minutes per side. 2. Grilling options. For a smoky flavor, finish the ribs on a hot grill for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This method works particularly well for outdoor gatherings. 3. Broiling and torch finishing. Use your oven's broiler or a culinary torch for a quick finish when time is of the essence. 4th. Sauce creation from bag juices. Don't discard the liquid from the sous vide bag. Reduce it with red wine and aromatics for a rich, flavorful sauce to accompany your ribs. Accompaniments and pairings, completing the meal. Elevate your sous vide short ribs with carefully chosen sides and beverages. Side dish suggestions: creamy polenta or mashed potatoes, roasted root vegetables, sautéed mushrooms or wild greens, wine and beer pairings, red wine, bold Cabernet Sauvignon or Syrah, beer, rich stout or brown ale. Creating a well-rounded meal. Balance the richness of the short ribs with acidic or fresh elements like a crisp salad or pickled vegetables. Advanced techniques and variations. Elevating your short rib game. Once you've mastered the basics, explore these advanced techniques to take your sous vide short ribs to the next level. Smoke infusion. Pre-sous vide, use a smoker to add a layer of smoky flavor before sous vide cooking. Cold smoke the ribs for 30 to 60 minutes, then proceed with the sous vide process. Dry aging at home. Experiment with dry aging your short ribs in the refrigerator for 3 to 7 days before cooking. This concentrates flavors and tenderizes the meat further. Asian-inspired flavor profiles. Create an Asian-inspired marinade with soy sauce, ginger, and sesame oil to infuse into the ribs during sous vide cooking. Incorporating sous vide short ribs in other dishes. Use your perfectly cooked short ribs as a component in other dishes. Shred for tacos or sandwiches. Slice thinly for a luxurious steak salad. Cube and add to a hearty stew or chili. Storing and reheating. Extending the enjoyment. Proper storage and reheating techniques ensure you can enjoy your sous vide short ribs for days to come. Proper cooling and storage methods. After cooking, immediately cool your short ribs in an ice bath before storing. Refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 4 days, or freeze for up to 3 months. To reheat, use a sous vide bath at the original cooking temperature for 1 to 2 hours. Reheating. Without overcooking, maintaining the texture and flavor of your sous vide short ribs requires careful reheating to avoid overcooking. One effective method is to reheat the ribs in the sous vide bath at the original cooking temperature for 1 to 2 hours. Alternatively, you can warm them slowly in a low-temperature oven, keeping them covered to preserve moisture. Both approaches ensure the meat stays tender and juicy without additional cooking. For a quicker option, heat the sealed bags in a 130° Fahrenheit 54° Celsius water bath for about 30 minutes, then finish with a brief sear. Freezing tips for batch cooking for best results when freezing. 1. Cool completely before freezing. Ensure that the food has cooled to room temperature to prevent ice crystals from forming, which can affect the texture and flavor upon reheating. 2. Remove as much air as possible from the bag. Use a vacuum sealer or press out as much air as you can to minimize freezer burn and preserve the food's freshness. 3. Label with the date and cooking temperature used. Clearly marking the date ensures you use it within an optimal time frame, and noting the cooking temperature helps in maintaining consistent food quality when you reheat it. Final thoughts. As we conclude our journey through the world of sous vide beef short ribs, it's clear that this cooking method offers unparalleled control and consistency in transforming this tough cut into a tender delicacy. By understanding the science behind sous vide, selecting quality ingredients, and mastering the techniques we've explored, you're now equipped to create restaurant-quality short ribs in the comfort of your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of sous vide lies not just in its precision, but also in its flexibility. Don't be afraid to experiment with different temperatures, cooking times, and flavor profiles to find your perfect short rib. Whether you prefer traditional preparation or want to venture into more adventurous culinary territories, sous vide provides a solid foundation for your creativity to flourish. As you continue to refine your skills, share your successes, and even your learning experiences with fellow food enthusiasts, the world of sous vide is ever-evolving, and your contributions could inspire others to embark on their own culinary adventures. So fire up that immersion circulator, embrace the art of patience, and prepare to delight in the succulent, flavor-packed results of your sous vide beef short ribs. Happy cooking! Meta description: unlock the secrets of succulent sous vide beef short ribs. Discover expert tips, tricks, and techniques for mouth-watering results every time.